Hello, everybody. Now, there are some silver linings of the current situation we're in, and one of them is that I've taught myself how to do these virtual assemblies. So this is a first at-home virtual assembly. You'll notice I'm not in school. Like the majority of you, I'm at home. I'm shielding my son. And this is the situation we find ourselves in. And it got me thinking a little bit about us as a school. And although we're spread far and wide, the fact that the actual school itself is the students and the staff, really. The building is relatively irrelevant. Together, we are Lumleys, and whether we're at school or not, we're still in it together. We are Lumleys at home, if you like. So today's assembly is giving us some thought about that. What I'm going to get you to do is think about some core values, the soul of your school, if you like. And we've been through some difficult times. We've obviously got the situation we're in at the moment with the COVID. We've obviously received an Ofsted report that wasn't what we wanted. But we want to move forward from that. And I think the first way of doing that is looking at who we want to be together as Lady Lumley School. What do we want to be? What do we want to represent? What do we want to stand for? What's important to us? You guys, as a student body, you've done a survey for us, and that was hugely useful, being able to cater for your needs, be able to feed back some key questions to you, but also to inform our decisions going forward. And hopefully you'll see in the future some really good things coming from that. So watch this space. We're going to ask you again for some feedback, and what we're going to ask you for is 3 key words which answer the questions I've just posed you. Who do you want to be as Lady Lumley School? What do we want to stand for? What's important to us? Because I think we need to understand what we as staff and you as students want to be as Lady Lumley School. And if we do that, it's a good starting point to move forward, really. So we're going to ask you afterwards to complete a survey in which we're going to get you to look at 5 words. Now, this is my effort here. I've gone for ownership, pride, honesty, caring, and togetherness. And there's reasons for that, but I'm not going to go into it too much because I just want you to see that as an example of how the kind of things we're looking for. And on your survey that we get you to do, you can go into more detail and explain why you think these are important. Okay. I'm not going to tell you why I think those are important. I'm just giving you an example there. It's all part of what we want to do coming out of lockdown and involve you more into the decision making and the shaping of the direction of the school. And we want to base that on honest communication, really have a look at ourselves as a school and where we can improve, and you can help us with that. And positive relationships between students and staff, and students and staff, everyone together having positive relationships. And this is the starting point, if you like, of that. I also want you to get creative because I want these core values of the school that we agree on, that we as a student and staff body come together with and agree on. I want it to be very, very visible around school. And I want you to get creative for me. And I want you to start to send in to me on the email that's there, dfairclough@ladylumleys.net, some images and paintings, and murals, if you like, of what represents We Are Lumleys to you. Okay. Now, on the beginning slide, you saw my effort, my We Are Lumleys logo, if you like, which I have adapted from the internet. But I think you would be able to do much better than me. I'm not. You guys will be much more creative. And so I want you to have a shot and show us what you've got. Now, it doesn't need to be an artistic bit of work. It doesn't need to be photography, but it can be. It can be a poem, a song, speech, a recording like this. You guys have got skills, particularly on these online presentation skills, that'll be far better than mine. So I really want to see that. You could even design a hot chocolate mug which celebrates We Are Lumleys. But really, this whole idea of being in it together and representing core values that we all stand for. And I think that's what we want to do and move forward with. So I invite you over the next week to send me some things through on dfairclough@ladylumleys.net. Now, I've got some ideas for you that might you might want to have a look at. I obviously, as a history teacher, I've gone and had a look at some heraldry for you, and also as a Star Wars fan, there's also a thing about silhouettes there as well. So you might want to have a read through that, and that might inspire you, or you might take it in a direction that I haven't even thought of. So have a think about it. Come up with your creative ideas, send them through to me. If you've got any questions, email me through them as well. I'm particularly interested in people that are at home, like me, feeding into this, but also if you're at school, it's a whole inclusive effort, this. So that would be great. So 2 things I want you to do. First of all, complete the survey. Think about those 5 key words, those key things that would represent our school, the core values of what we want to be going forward. And secondly, think about creative ways that we can represent the concept of we are Lumleys, the student and staff together representing the school. Thanks very much for listening.